Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this cranberry glitter cut crease look, and it's super fall inspired. I feel like cranberry shades are like super fall tones. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with some concealer, and then I set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Shop Violet Voss Coral Crush palette, and I'm first going into that orange transition color and just buffing this into my crease and winging out that outer corner and just really mapping out the shape for how we're going to apply the next few shades. Next, I'm going into this brown shade and my angled brush, and I'm just going to start to apply this into my crease and just kind of doing a winged out on the outer edge. And I feel like getting this shape down definitely takes time, but what helps for me is I like to do the center first and just get the height of it, and then just kind of do a wing motion on that outer edge, just like you're doing a wing liner but in the crease, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going into this fluffy tapered brush, and I'm going into that cranberry shade, and we're just going to start to diffuse that line and start to build a gradient in the crease. And this is just going to give us a little bit of a wash. Next, we're going to be going into an even smaller tapered brush to really add that gradient even more. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that in the next clip. So what I did was I grabbed more of that cranberry shade, and this time we're trying to really buff out that brown shadow, and it's going to look a little bit messy, but once we apply the colors on the lid, it will look a lot better. So next, I'm picking up this flat brush, and I'm picking up this shade right here in the shade Eternal, which is just a really pretty metallic cranberry shade. And we're just going to be applying this all over the lid. And I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus for some extra pigmentation, but I'm bringing it all the way to that outer corner as well. And I absolutely love the way that this looked with the other shades. Super, super pretty. And then I'm going to be going into my NYX Cosmetics glitter and my E6 ColourPop brush. And I'm using this Shop Violet Voss glitter in the shade Venus, which is just like a silver glitter, one of my favorite silver glitters. And I'm just applying this directly to my crease. And then I'm just grabbing my small tapered brush and that dark brown shadow, and I just applied that to the outer edge. Just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then I just peeled off my tape. For lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. And our Black Friday sale is currently live, so if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description box down below. And then I just grabbed my CoverGirl liner, popped that into my waterline. And then for our lower lash line, we're applying the same two shades, just that light orange transition color, and then that dark cranberry shade with this flat defined brush. And just getting this as close to our lower lashes as possible, and then going back into that first smudger brush and just mixing those two shades together. And I'm going into my Madlash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlighter. And this is pretty much the finished look. If you watch this video to the very end, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!